Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to study our last topic in our chapter 3, that is addition of 5-digit numbers. A number is called a 5-digit because the number has got 5 places, that is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and also 10,000s place. Now you have got an example here. Now let's do that. Before that, let's do the name the places. According to the digit, there are 5 digit, then ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. Now let's arrange the number in ones place. First number 34,784. In ones place there is 4, tens place there is 8 and at hundreds place we have 7 and thousands place we have 4 and 10,000s place we have 3. And the second number you are getting 26,358. In ones place we have 8, tens place we have 5, hundreds place we have 3, thousands place we have 6, 10,000s place we have 2. Now let's add. Now first we will add the number in at ones place. Here in ones place you have 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 we are getting 12. 4 plus 8 we have 12. The sum of 4 and 8 we are getting as 12. That means in ones place we have 2. That digit we will bring just down the ones place. And tens place, that means there is 110 in this sum. So that one that is called carry of the number, that we will give in tens place. Okay. Then 8 plus 5. In tens place we have 8 and 5. That is 13. Okay. Now the number plus 1, that is carry, then we are getting 14. This number 14, in the 4 is at tens place. Don't forget that. Okay. This is not in ones place because we are adding the number in tens place. So the number in 4 at tens place is 4, that we are giving in answer. 8 plus 5, 13 plus carry over, we are getting 14. And this number that is at hundreds place. Okay. This is the number at hundreds place. We are here giving here as carry. Again in hundreds place we have we have 7 and 3. You know that 7 plus 3 we are getting 10 and plus carry 1 we are getting 11. Okay. The right side number 1 is at hundreds place. The left side 1 is at thousands place. Again carry. Then thousands place. In thousands place we have 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 and plus carry we are getting again 11. The right side one is at thousands place and the left one we will give for 10,000s place. And in 10,000s place we have 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and plus 1 that is carry, we are getting 6. So your answer is 6,000. We are getting 61,142. The sum of the two numbers we have written here is 61,142. Now let's see the homework. We have to do some homework in exercise 3I. Add the following. First question I am doing for you. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 8. Again we are getting 15. That 1 will go as carry in hundreds place. 3 plus 3, 6 and 1 carry, that is 7. Again 3 plus 4 in thousands place, we are getting 7. 2 plus 3 in 10,000s place, we are getting 57,759. There are so many questions that you have to do as homework that I will give you from the book. The question B in exercise 3I is write in ascending order and then add. You are getting 3 numbers. The question is write in, first you have to arrange the number in ascending order. To find the number ascending order, just you have to check the leftmost number. 2 number we are getting same, then 2 and 2. Then we will go for the second leftmost number. That in one number it is 2 and 8. That means you know that 2 is less than 8. So we will write 22,342 first number, smallest number, then next number 28,214 and 37,265 is the greatest number. Now we will arrange the numbers here according to ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. Now let's add this. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. And 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. Again 1, 12. Again 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. I have added first itself the carryover. Then 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, that is carry. You are getting 8. And here 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 is as carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Your answer is 87,821. Question number C. Express the following numbers in figures and then add in your notebook. This is also exercise I will give you today from your book. First, only one example I am doing for you. 2,704. Now you have to write in figure that one, 2,704. Then 486. 486. Then 32,664. Now let's arrange the number first. In one number we are getting 4 digits. In one number we are getting 3 digits. And another number we are getting 5 digits. 5 digits. So first we will name the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. And let's arrange the first number. Which number has got the less digit? That is 486. Then next one 2704, and last one, the biggest number, 32,664. Now let's add 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 1 carry, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15, 1 again carry, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 6, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 1 carry, your answer is 8 here. Then again we are getting 1 carry, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, and 3, the same digit we will write the same way. So your answer is 35,854. First I forgot to add the carry, so here I had got 7, but your answer is 8. Don't forget that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Here is your homework, exercise 3I. Question A, add the following. There are 20 questions. This you have to do in your book. And the next question, question B, write in ascending order and then add. This you have to do in your copy. Then question C, express the following numbers in figures and then add in your notebook. This 1 to 5, first you have to write in figures, that is number you have to write. Then you have to add. Question D we will do tomorrow. These are word problems we will do tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.